When to harvest mangoes. When you grow mangoes in your home garden, this question may come to you. Usually, you can harvest mangoes 3 to 5 months from the time they flower, but it can change depending on the variety and weather conditions. All the mangoes in the tree will not mature at the same time, so you can harvest the mangoes that you want to eat and let other mangoes ripe in the tree. But if the ripe mangoes are left on the tree for too long, it can fall on the ground. There are some signs that you can start harvesting mangoes. One. Both ends of the mangoes are filled, when the beak and shoulders of the fruit are filled out. 2. If the fruit is ripe, the stem will break easily. 3. Slight color changes in the fruit. Different varieties give different color changes. More common is green to red or green to yellow. Things to remember. Mango sap can cause allergies to some people, so better wear gloves when harvesting. Wash the mango to remove the sap once harvested. The sap can cause black spots on the mangoes. Fold the mango by using a paper and allow them to ripen indoors. Usually, it takes 3 to 10 days. Don't put the mango in a refrigerator until it's ripe. You can protect your mango by putting a bag like this, so fruit fly will not damage it. Happy harvesting, and please subscribe my channel for weekly gardening videos.